started.
Hello everyone, my name is Balram and I'm going to discuss some aspects how to grow Tulsi plant with the North American environment, especially in Canada. For first and foremost important thing is for Canada, Tulsi plant is strictly an indoor plant. Even in summer, like the good environment, good weather outside, never ever keep Tulsi plant outside. That may lead to it may dry or weaken the plant. So first thing first, how we can transfer the Tulsi plant from a smaller pot to bigger pot. So get a biggest possible pot for the Tulsi plant, which will give a more life to the plant. The plant may live longer. Get a bigger pot and check if there is any holes at the bottom. If not, then you can make holes with the help of drill, because having hole at the bottom is very important. Otherwise, if the excess water should drain out. If it is not draining out, then the plant may die. So get a bigger pot, make holes if there are not holes at the bottom, fill it with the potting soil. You can buy potting soil from any store, as long as the potting soil, and if it is with manure, that's the best thing. So fill it, water it, and then make a small hole at the bottom, at the middle of the potting soil, which is wet. And then whatever the small pot you have, the Tulsi plant, you can either take the whole the soil out along with the roots, or you can cut with the help of scissors and take the whole soil out, put it in the middle hole, and then you can press it if you want, and then you can water it again, and you can keep inside the home. Keep it near to the window so that at least the plant get at least 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight from the glass window, which is a very important point as well. Once the plant grows, there are two things which are very important. One is the support. So for example, if you see in this plant, it is having 2 sticks, and then you can tie it with the help of the threads. And the second thing is, if after the plant grows up, it may lead to the flowering buds. So those flowering buds needs to be trimmed. So how generally I do is I take scissors, and if there is any flowering bud, like there is a bud here, so I just trim it, and that's how it may increase the lifespan of the plant, and plant remain healthy if you trim it continuously. So these are some of the points for the planting Tulsi plant, transferring it to small pot to bigger pot, then how to maintain. Watering, yeah, another important point is the watering. You have to water every 2 to 3 days. As soon as the upper layer of the soil dries, you can water it and give a medium water. And by mistake, if you are giving extra water, there is a holes at the bottom that the excess water can drain off from that. So Tulsi plant has its own importance in the traditional Indian medicinal system, as well as culturally it's considered as the holy plant. And at the end also, I want to say that I'm not like the expert for Tulsi plant or agriculturist or something. I have just learned through my own experiences by growing the Tulsi plant at home and trying different things, and that's how I have learned all these points. If you have any question or comments, you can comment it and I'll be able to answer the questions. I'm not a YouTuber. The only purpose of this video is to provide the information, because I was getting lots of questions from the people as we are distributing the Tulsi plants in the community in the Edmonton, Alberta in Canada. So we are getting lots of questions, and then I'm answering individually. So I thought to make a video so that everybody can watch it. If they need, we can share with them the link of the video, and they can watch it and get the answers. I try to provide as much information as possible. If you still have any question, please feel free to comment, and I'll be able to answer. If not, then I'll be able to find the answer if I don't know. So thank you so much.